If you have a house in Columbiana, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Columbiana, and we make it easy because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. What that means is you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house, you can take. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply could leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And there's no work that you need to put in whatsoever. No trips to the Home Depot and no cleaning or no hiring a handyman. There's no money out of your pocket whatsoever for us to buy the house. There's no job too big or too small. We've been buying houses for over 14 years in Columbiana and all in the surrounding areas, so I'm sure we could work with you as well. But what allows us to buy the house in its as-is condition is we're not relying on a bank and we're not relying on a loan. We're a cash buyer, not like a traditional buyer. A traditional buyer who's using a mortgage, well, they're going to send through a formal inspection on your house. They're going to scrutinize this thing. They're going to test every outlet and light switch and ceiling fan, and they're going to open and close all the doors and windows, and they're going to compile pages and pages of this inspection report. Then they're going to want to renegotiate with you, and then they're going to want to maybe get an extension because they can't close because they got to use this loan. And then if you survive the inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through, and if the appraiser is having a bad day, they're going to pull the rug out from under this thing, send you back to square one, a complete waste of your time. That's what you get with some of these traditional buyers. You're not going to have any of that when you work with us. So keep things simple for yourself and work with a direct buyer that's going to pay cash for the property, and don't waste your time. If you're working with a traditional buyer and they end up wasting your time, remember, time is money in real estate, because every day that goes by that they're not able to perform and close, it's another day you got to pay utilities, it's another day you got to pay for insurance and property taxes, and just a huge opportunity cost. We're never going to do that. We buy houses in Columbiana, Ohio, and we're going to treat you fair. We're local in Ohio. We're born and raised. We're not in some call center in some foreign distant land who's saying they're going to buy your house. Avoid the gimmicks and work with a local. So if you have a house in Columbiana and you want to just see what we can do for you, give us a call at 614-300-5151. Or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in our website name. We're founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with Columbiana, Ohio, Youngstown, Ohio, and really the entire area. So when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about when you're looking to close. Your timeline is very important. If you want to close quickly, we could accommodate that. If you need more flexibility, we could accommodate that as well. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property, and if our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. So if you have a house in Columbiana, let us know. Give us a call. Let's at least explore options together. Our number here is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We're never going to apply any pressure. There's no sales tactics, no games. We're going to treat you fairly as you deserve to be treated. And my name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.